Hello to all my lovely people out there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a look which is inspired by Shy Styles. मुझे ये look बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया, so I thought why not give it a try. So let's jump into the video. I've already done my face makeup and now I'm concealing my eyelids to cover all the pigmentation. If you want to see how I do my face makeup, you can press the I button on the top. To you like nobody was watching. And now I'm setting my eyes with this highlighting powder from Wet n Wild contouring kit. This is the particular look of Shy Styles which I want to create. Next I'm using this transition shade from Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and applying just above my crease. Where you are, oh, I wish it wasn't so. Next I'm taking this particular shade from the same palette and applying into my crease and on my eyelids. Countless thoughts of you being here, oh, I wish it was. Now I am going with this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and taking this dark brown color and applying on my outer corners of the eye to create a smoky look. Now I am taking this shimmery shade from the Swiss Beauty palette and applying it on my eyelids with the help of my fingers. I know it's hard for everyone to understand it. After that I am using a brush to make the look more precise. Though it feels like we got stranded, and I wish I could get to you, see you face to face. I'm mixing these two colors from the Wet n Wild palette to blend all the edges so that there are no harsh lines. All the details about the products are given in the description box down below. I wish it wasn't. Okay, so I tried to recreate the hairstyle also and I personally really love this look. I really enjoyed how this look turned out. But maybe one day we can break the distance. Please write in the comment section what you all think about this look. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button next to it so that you get notified whenever I put any new video. Till then, bye bye.